and do some unboxing. Yeah. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In my last video I unboxed my iPhone 13 Pro. Let me give you guys a quick breakdown of what happened. So previously I got the iPhone 13 Pro. I didn't like the size, so I returned it, and I also did a video, an unboxing video, but I guess there's no need for it now. So yeah. Well, I didn't like the size, and so I got the Pro Max. So yes, I exchanged it for the Pro Max because I actually thought that the Pro was going to be bigger than the 13, like the normal size, and the Pro was like exactly the same size as my iPhone 11. So I'm like, now I wanted something bigger, so I got it. Yeah. So today we're going to be unboxing the new baby, my iPhone 13 Pro Max in gold and 128 gig. If you are new on this channel, you know what to do. Please hit the subscribe button to join the family, and also give this video a big like, okay? And if you're returning, thank you for coming back. Let's go ahead and do some unboxing. Guys, please pardon my camera. Like I said, I lost my phone, so I had to get a new phone and I had to find an alternative. And so I'm shooting this video with a Samsung A03 phone. So please bear with me. I've got my new baby now, so we're gonna go back to business, okay? Alright guys, so it's time to unbox this. Hi guys, so we're done setting up this baby. I'm literally so happy. Yeah, I can't wait to begin using it. And I was the one who put this wallpaper. When I got the Pro, I was the one who put this wallpaper. They've got like lovely wallpapers, but I think this is like my favorite. So I'm gonna do like what's on my iPhone 13 Pro Max in another video. I think I'll do some updates and some, just make my home screen look a lot better. I did take some pictures and videos on the Pro, so I'll do like a comparison. So what it looks like on the Pro, what it's like on the Pro Max, or I'll just take like random pictures on the Pro Max and just compare it with the Pro. So yeah, but anyways, I love my new phone. I can't wait to finish setting up. In the next video, we are shooting with this, so let's see how it's gonna look like. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Please like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button before you go. Don't go anywhere without hitting the subscribe button. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next one.